everyone, so today I am unboxing a mystery beauty box from a brand or a company called Secret Sales. These are, I've bought three. I've already unboxed one. I've kind of went through the company on that previous video, which I'll have in the description box below, and if I forgot to put it in the description box below, comment and remind me. But it's from a brand called Secret Sales. Now I bought two £30 ones, no, I bought two £20 ones, and I bought a £30 one. This is the £30 one. I'm just getting it up. I'm going to tell you how much it's supposed to be worth. So the £30 one is supposed to be worth £180 RRP. And the £20 one, which I've already unboxed, is supposed to be worth £160 RRP. So I'm going to unbox this one with you. And anyways, the reason I'm assuming, because I bought three boxes, they all came together, why I'm assuming this is the £30 one is because this says Beauty Box 3, whereas the other two said Beauty Box 4. So I'm assuming this is my £30 beauty box. So we're going to see. Supposedly they have two full size. I know that is two full size Lancome products. I know that is what's supposed to be in the £20 one. I don't know if you're meant to have more in the £30 one. I didn't read it. I just added it in my basket. So we're going to unbox it. So this does look slightly different to the £20 one. First item here. We have got the Pump Up Festival Body Wash. Stay clean and fresh with no water, no worries. I don't know if this is something that I'm interested in. It says just massage the foam to release dirt and sweat. Waste. Yeah, I've never heard of anything like that. Have any of you seen that? I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe a donation product. Then the next item, I got this in the cheaper mystery box, is the Me Time Ice Slices. These are just cooling ice slices. They just cooling. You put them there for anti-aging, puffiness, dark circles, tiredness and redness. Then next we've got a Burberry sample. This is a Fresh Glow liquid luminous fluid base little sample, and that is what that looks like there. Next we've got something that looks full size. This is the Lancome Paris Progressive Night Peel. This looks like this might be full size. I'm assuming this probably is one of our full size products. So this is what it looks like here, and from what I can see, this is ranging between £25 and £40. I'm quite excited. I do like a little bit of Lancome skincare, and yeah, I'm excited to try it. I like to try new things, so I feel like that's our full size product there. We have got some perfume samples. We've got the Prada Ocean Luna Roses. I don't know if this is for men or women's little fragrance sample. And then we've got the Stella McCartney Pop Perfume sample, which I've actually never tried, so that's quite exciting. I like to try new fragrances, you guys know that. So we've got some perfume samples. Then we've got another one. This is the Adam Levine is hitting this, and he's from Maroon 5. Little aftershave sample. I will use them. Then we've got a Sally Hansen Patent Gloss Nail Colour in like 740 Slick. This is like a dark purple shade. Not my cup of tea personally. Yeah. Then, I hope this is my colour, but I'm not sure it will be. But then we've got an IT Cosmetics. So we did get like shaded things in the first one as well. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Airbrush Perfecting Powder SPF 50. I've always wanted to try this as well, but this is in the shade Rich, so I feel like this might be a bit dark for me. But you know what, I probably could gift this to my friend Sarah as a lovely gift if it didn't work for me. But I will just like mention that they have had shaded tones things in. But I mean, if it was too dark, you could maybe use it as bronzer for yourself. That is quite an exciting product though, if the tone would work for you, you know. It's a mystery box where, you know, they are getting rid of stock and stuff like that. So even though it's a shaded product, I'm not too mad because it is a mystery box. But yeah, I'm like on the fence about that. But that is like one of the big products. It's got to be, hasn't it? We have got another full size product, and this is the Lancome, the antioxidant and anti-fatigue liquid care, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, and I feel like I've seen this before, and I think this is a serum, which is quite exciting. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm quite excited about that, really am. So that's another exciting product in itself, and I feel like that's like a main product too. Then we've got another hand sanitizer. That was in the other box that I've unboxed. Then we've got a little product here, which I don't know where it's from. It's Kiehl's. It is the Kiehl's Butter Mask for Lips Overnight Lip Treatment, and this is what it looks like here. It's quite exciting. Kiehl's is quite pricey. It's good size and all. Then last two products. So the first thing we've got here is the Fearless Blue Big Colour Lash Top Coat. We got this in the last box, which is here, and I'll show you what that looks like, so I'm not opening more than one product when I don't need to. Which is a blue mascara. Now, blue mascara a couple of years ago was all the rage. So I will try this one, but I definitely don't need two, you know. I do love Lancome mascaras. Last but not least, we're getting a Volute liquid colour from YSL, which is quite exciting. This is in shade number 5. Oh, look at that. How pretty is that? It is looking like an orangey red. Let's have a look. Oh, it's like a lovely summery colour. Quite excited about that. Look at that. And can you share it out? Yeah, you can definitely share it out. Oh, I quite like that. Another full-size YSL product. Sorry for all the camera angle changes in this video, but my hip is actually like in so much pain, so I'm going to run through the items again. We got the YSL colour lip balm thing, the Lancome little mini blue mascara. We got this very unusual festival body wash stuff, some hand sanitizer, a nail polish. I'm not the biggest fan of this shade, if I'm being really honest. We got the night peel from Lancome. We got the ITSGGSPARKLE CC powder stuff. The butter mask for lips, Kiehl's lip mask. We got the Stella McCartney. We got the Adam Levine and the Prada fragrance samples. Got the Burberry little sample. We've got the Me Time face eye patches. Then we got another Lancome product, which is the antioxidant anti-care liquid care like face serum. I feel like there's not much difference between the £30 and the £20 box, in my opinion. I definitely don't think there's £180 worth of product there. There is a full price, but at probably the prices they are selling for now, because obviously they're not the newest releases or anything like that. But this is a mystery box. I'm just you know, I feel like maybe it's a little bit lower, but still I'm happy with it. I'm happy with what I spend, like really happy with what I spend. And it's a way of getting a little bit of luxury in your makeup collection, because to be honest, I feel like sometimes how many new releases we get, it's just crazy, and we just don't need that many new releases, in my opinion. So yeah. But yeah, what do you guys think of this box? I will link it down below if this is something you're interested in. Should I go and purchase the £40 one? Because I haven't purchased a £40 one, and they do have a £40 one. Yeah, please let me know down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!